We usually think of winter as the time to get sick when sickness starts to spread, but it happens during this hot time we're having in summer too. Going to large gatherings or popular tourist spots on vacation sometimes can bring back more than souvenirs. Area clinics have been seeing an uptick in some illnesses. Kamari Hamer joins us live. And Kamari, you talked to healthcare experts, and what are they seeing in their patients?
Yeah, so Marcus, sneezing, stomach bugs, and other types of sicknesses have been all too common. And unfortunately for parents and students, it's happening right before students are headed back to the classroom for the first day of school. But fortunately, there are many ways you can stay safe and have a healthy and academic school year.
Ooh, we've had an array.
President of Allegro Family Clinic, Amy Bogue, says her clinic has been seeing a lot of patients lately with a lot of different symptoms.
A lot of it has been like sinus or GI or which is gastro issues, and just some people just not feeling well and trying to figure out why. It's been all kinds of diagnoses.
The CDC reports 43 to 79% of travelers to low and middle income countries become sick during or after travel. Bogue says this could be one reason for the recent increases.
Anytime you've got a lot of people in a larger gathering, there's more of a risk because you tend to be a little lax and not, especially if it's people you know, not washing your hands as often. Someone might have a cold or some sort of virus, and it's summertime, so they're not really thinking about all the precautions.
And parents of school-aged children are getting a sort of a double dose. Those children are headed back to classrooms, some as soon as this week, and getting back into classroom can lead to even more people getting sick, especially with younger children. But there are a few ways to make your child have a safe and a clean school year.
If we can remember to wash our hands, a big one is sneezing into your elbow versus just letting it go everywhere. And just wiping down surfaces when there's been multiple people, say in the lunchroom and you've got multiple shifts of people coming in. If they can just take standard precautions, it will decrease the amount of sickness.
Bogue also says having a consistent nighttime routine could play a huge part in fighting off those summer bugs.
They need to get a good night's sleep. It's time to start kind of putting kids to bed a little bit earlier, even though it's lighter outside. We need to really focus on sleep and hydration, especially with this heat right now. When you're dehydrated, that can cause a lot of signs and symptoms that then when your immune system is down, you could get sick easier.
Now, Bogue also recommends that parents give their child a good multivitamin to help fight off those germs. I'm live tonight in Columbus telling your story from the Allegro Clinic. Kamari Hamer with WCBI News.